Are you dealing with this problem? There is a way to solve this problem. 1. Purchase a new number from DatingZest shop. Go on DatingZest shop and purchase a new number. Link in the description. Press purchase now. Now write your billing details and credit card information. Press place order. 2. Create an account. Go on Okcupid and create an account. Write your information such as your name, surname, your email. Tell them about your location, and if you are not in allowed countries, please use VPN. Now write more about your desired relationship type. Three. Verify your account with DatingZest. Go on DatingZest and get the number. Copy the number and paste it on Okcupid. They will send you a code. Copy that code and paste it on Okcupid. Your account will be verified. Enjoy!